In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the revision history of a Jotform. This process is quite straightforward and can be extremely helpful if you want to track changes or revert to a previous version. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. But assuming you already have your login details, just enter them and you'll be directed to your workspace. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the specific form you want to modify within the Jotform form builder. This is where you'll spend most of your time creating and managing your forms. The form builder is user friendly and all your forms should be listed there. Simply click on the form you're interested in and it will open up for editing. Now, direct your attention to the top of the form right where the title is displayed. Below the title, you'll notice some details about the last time the form was updated. This is typically shown as a timestamp, perhaps reading something like last updated at 11:39 AM. Clicking on this timestamp is the key to unlocking the form's revision history. After clicking on the timestamp, you'll see the revision history pane open up on the right side of your screen. This pane is a powerful tool because it allows you to see all the modifications that have been made to your form over time. It's essentially a timeline of every change, which is incredibly useful if you're collaborating with a team or need to pinpoint when a particular adjustment was made. In this revision history pane, you will find a list of all past revisions. Each entry shows the time and date changes were made. If you're searching for something specific, this makes your task much easier. With this list available, you can click on a specific revision to preview how the form looked at that precise moment in time. This feature is especially handy when you want to compare different versions or just see how things have evolved. Not only can you preview the previous versions, but you can also see the specific changes that were made in each revision. This can include anything from text edits to layout modifications. Once you've identified the version you'd like to revert to, it's just a matter of clicking the revert button. This action restores the form to its former state as per the selected revision, allowing for a seamless rollback to any previous form version. And that's it, you now have the power to navigate through your form's history, understanding and managing changes with ease. Being able to revert to earlier versions not only saves time but also gives you peace of mind when experimenting with new form designs. Happy form building!